Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox not launching easy and quick. First click here and then type apps and features, and now once you're here click Roblox and then type click uninstall, and after that type here run and then type app data, click OK, click on local, scroll down and until you find Roblox, right click on it and delete it. And if you can't delete it from these files or you can't find app data, then all you have to do just go to command prompt and then type cd app data slash local and then OK, and after that type rmdir and then /s Roblox, click enter and then type y and then click enter, and after that your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.